Hex is trading at 7 cents. In 2023, how much do you think Hex will be worth? Most people thought that in 2023, it would be a good idea to buy Hex, a buy and large wise speculation. Well, Hex cost has done much better than its all-time high in almost every way. This is what we think Hex's future will be like, which is different from what most people think. How much Hex will cost in 2023? Based on the Hex price estimate and technical analysis, here are our expectations for how much Hex will cost in 2023. Amount of bullshit equal to the norm. In spite of what most people think, the lowest price of Hex should be 9 cents on average at the end of this year. Hex can also cost 11 cents, which is a very high price. What the price of Hex will be in 2023? Hex is projected to cost at least 6 cents and no more than 7 cents in USD in 2023, with an average price of 7 cents. Most people don't think this is true. Hex value expectation in May 2023, the price of Hex could be anywhere from 7 cents to 8 cents, and the average exchange rate should be around 7 cents. Hex value expectation June 2023. In June 2023, the price of Hex could be anywhere from 7 cents to 8 cents, but the average exchange rate should be around 8 cents, so the Hex value estimate is 8 cents. Hex could cost anywhere from 7 cents to 8 cents in May 2023, which is a pretty big change. Hex value expectation July 2023. Even though the average price of Hex in July has stayed around 8 cents, the price is likely to go up to between 7 cents and 8 cents in July 2023. Hex value guess August 2023. In August 2023, Hex is expected to cost between 9 cents and 8 cents on average. What to expect from Hex numbers? The price of Hex in September 2023 could be anywhere from 8 cents to 9 cents, which is a big range. The average exchange rate should be somewhere around 8 cents, which is a huge range. Hex value guess in October 2023. In October 2023, the price of Hex should be at least 8 cents and no more than 9 cents, with an average of 8 cents. The Hex number is expected in November 2023. In November 2023, the price of Hex could be anywhere from 8 cents to 10 cents, but on average, it should be around 9 cents. Price of Hex in December 2023. The price of Hex in December 2023 will be between 9 cents and 11 cents, but the average price of Hex in December stays around 9 cents. Hex's price went up, so it kind of passed the price test, and its trade volume and market capitalization are both high. In the last 24 hours, the Hex S price has gone up by 12.63%, which shows that Hex is doing better than its all-time high. But Hex is having trouble getting up to speed with other crypto coins. In the past week, the price of Hex has dropped 3.11%. The coin might have some good days in the next few days, but we don't think it's a good investment or will last long. But if we look at the price history of the last few days and compare it to the present price, we can see that the price of Hex has gone up by 6.656%. Based on the estimated price of Hex and fundamental analysis, the price of Hex will rise by about the same amount in 2023. The average lowest cost for the month was 5 cents, and the average highest cost was 6 cents, which is a very important fact. This means that this coin is a good long-term investment and a nice addition to a nice collection of coins. So they thought, Hex has been going up in a steady way for the past 4 months. So, we think that similar items on the market were very popular at that time, which is very important. The number of Hex trades has grown since those 4 months, according to the most current data. How much will Hex be worth in 2023? This is a very important question that goes further than 4 months. By the end of 2023, the price of Hex is likely to go as high as 11 cents and as low as 9 cents. This is important when it comes to price. Hex has a lot of skills that can help him get to new levels in a big way. Most experts and business people believe that the value of Hex will go up. Until 2030, Hex can generally cause trouble in town for no more than 48 cents. The average exchange rate should be around 8 cents, so the Hex number assumes that this will be the case. The price of Hex in May 2023 could be anywhere from 7 cents to 8 cents. Amazing, is Hex sort of worth getting quietly in 2023? In reality, PX's value should keep going up because the cost of Empower almost always goes up when there isn't enough of it. Ascend, and most of the time, just put money into what you can kind of do.
Up from this floor because bulls decided to buy on the dip instead of continuing to sell. This was helped by the fact that the RSI here also hit a support zone at 45.00, and it continues to track past this point. In the coming days, bulls will likely try to get back above $1,900. Bitcoin started the week in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the United States. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for April will be released. Today, Ethereum was also worth less than it was yesterday. So, what should you do if you already have Bitcoin in your portfolio? Should you run a mile or have high hopes that Bitcoin will soon bounce back to its best levels? In this detailed article, we explain what people who want to invest in Bitcoin, which is still selling at 50% less than its highest point, need to do. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, BTC, the king of cryptocurrencies, has had a rough year in 2022. Bitcoin shot past $69,000 in November 2021, when it was at its highest point. It is now hanging around $30,000, which is the highest it has been since June 2022. In the wake of FTX's collapse, Bitcoin is working hard and has been able to keep up despite a lot of pressure on the market and confusion around the world. Overall, the cryptocurrency market has been going down and has been very unstable since FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, shut down. Aside from the FTX crash, the rising interest rates and fears of inflation have also done a lot to keep the prices of cryptocurrencies low. After last year's deadly November crash, when Bitcoin was trading between $16,000 and $18,000, it has now gone up by almost 80%. On the other hand, BTC is still worth almost 50% less than it was in November 2021, when it hit its all-time high.